dVidya Smart School free learning for 11 to 12 students.
Study stress. Students learn from various learning resources and services. In spite of working hard, often students fail to perform well. Student work assignments. Students listen to teachers' lectures in the classroom. However, teachers hardly review student work and track progress during the learning stage. Their performance is evaluated only at the board's final examination. So, often they fail to perform well in examinations due to lack of continuous homework, review, and mistake rectification throughout the learning stage. Student Performance Evaluation. dVidya FreeSkool helps students learn and perform better in examinations through the best learning resources created by experts, work assignments, continuous review, and evaluation of student performance and progress. Anywhere, anytime online learning. The entire study and student-teacher interaction is online. Student uses a device like smartphone, tablet, laptop or desktop with internet connection. A computer, laptop or tablet. Having a wider screen would be more convenient to work than a smartphone.
Student free learning roadmap.
Study subjects. dVidya FreeSkool Project has started providing mathematics and statistics classes for commerce and science streams in class 11 to 12, along with subjects like Accountancy, Mercantile Laws, and Economics for commerce stream. The project may expand to cover more streams in the future. Learning resources. Students can freely access dVidya site, dvidya.com, anytime for a vast range of learning materials, including expert-written blogs, PDFs, video and audio tutorials, question-answers, and multiple-choice questions with explanatory model answers. Student enrollment. To enroll, students should visit the website dvidya.com. Fill in particulars like name, WhatsApp number, email address, and subjects of interest in the message form on the website page, and then submit it or send an email to dvidyamel@gmail.com. Within 2 days, the student will receive a reply email containing their student enrollment number, complete instructions, and necessary information. Subject selection. Students can select their preferred subjects from the links provided in the email and use the uploaded learning resources on the website to study.
Assignments and work review.
Student homework submission. After studying the learning materials provided on the website, students should submit their answers to the multiple choice questions, numerical problems, and theoretical test questions within a specified time period. Students should write their answers on a piece of paper, scan it, and email it to dvidyamel@gmail.com. Review of student submission. Student answer papers are assessed by dVidya. If the answers are not satisfactory, the student will be asked to rectify mistakes and resubmit the answer. Once a satisfactory answer is received, a model answer will be sent via email. The student should review the model answer for further improvement.
Student special assignments earning while learning.
Special assignments submission. After the student has answered the assigned study problems satisfactorily, regular and well-performing students would be given special assignments. Such students would submit answer to special assignments on paper and video record in smartphone, as explained. Student written answer. To submit special assignment answer on paper, you should write name, assignment reference and the full question at the top of the paper. Write the answer concisely, explaining each points and solution steps. Once done, use a smartphone scanner app to scan the answer paper. Save the scanned file in image or PDF format on your phone. Rename the scanned image PDF file with your name and student enrollment number and send the file via email dvidyamail@gmail.com. In the email subject line, write your name, enrollment number and question reference for easy identification. Student created answer video. As part of the submission process, students are required to record a selfie video answering the question. The video should show the student's full face and be recorded in the same manner as answering a question in school with a teacher. Rename the video file to include your name, enrollment number, and then email the video file dvidyamail@gmail.com. Rewards for special assignments. Good answers in text and video will be published on the dVidya website and rewarded with cash prizes, which would be credited to winners' bank accounts within 7 days.